Hello friends, in my previous video you have seen how to start a new project and how to add frames to your project. In this video I'll tell you how to change the size of your jframe and how to change the location of your jframe and how to how to restrict the user from changing the size while running the program. So I have taken one jframe. Now, if I am running this by using Shift F6, you can see the size of my jframe. For this, I have not added any code. Now, I'll go to source code, and after this I and IT components, I'll set the size of my frame. Now I'll save this code and run this. Now you can see the size of my jframe is changed as I have set the size. This is the width and this is the height of my frame. Now when I am running this project, you can see the location of my jframe is top left corner. I'll change the location of my jframe. For this, I am using after saving it. Earlier this was appearing at the top left corner of my window. Now as I have changed the location, you can see the location of this frame. So these two functions I am using, these two methods I am using, set size and set location. In one method only, you can set both by using the function set bounds. This method takes 4 parameters. First 2 parameters is for the location and the remaining 2 is for the size. I am hiding these 2 methods. Saving this and I am running this. You can see the location is also changed and the size is also set. Now, sometimes you want your user not to change the size of your frame while the project is on run. For this, you may resize it false. You may use the method set resizable false. F should be small in this. Now save your project and then run it. Now if I am trying to maximize this, you cannot maximize, your user cannot maximize this. This will be disabled. And if I am hiding this, saving my project and running it, I can change the size here. So by using set resizable false, you may restrict your user to resize your window. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video.